Only genius peoples can choose the right gifts. Are you one of them? This gift challenge will test your choice. Stay till the end because the last gifts are secrets, so don't miss them. Don't forget to comment your gifts in comment box. Let's start. Choose your laptop, power or portability. Choose your mobile phone, camera or performance. Choose your headphones, comfort or bass. Choose your smartwatch, style or fitness. Choose your tablet, study or entertainment. Choose your gaming console, solo or multiplayer. Choose your Bluetooth speaker, loud or clear. Choose your drone, range or camera. Choose your camera, photos or videos. Choose your VR headset, fun or realism. Choose your smart TV, big or smart. Choose your power bank, fast or long-lasting. Choose your wireless charger, speed or convenience. Choose your electric scooter, speed or range. Choose your smart home gadget, comfort or control. Choose your fitness tracker, steps or calories. Choose your car, luxury or mileage. Choose your robot vacuum, smart or silent. Choose your microphone, voice or clarity. Choose your projector, size or brightness. Choose your digital piano, practice or performance. Choose your earbuds, battery or sound. Choose your LED lights, mood or brightness. Choose your smart glasses, future or fashion. Choose your luxury watch, design or brand. Choose Choose your gaming chair, comfort or style. Choose your keyboard, clicky or silent. Choose your gaming mouse, speed or precision. Choose your home theater, cinema or comfort. Choose your coffee machine, fast or premium. Choose your mini fridge, space or design. Choose your smart door lock, security or ease. Choose your study desk, simple or smart. Choose your office chair, support or softness. Choose your backpack, style or space. Choose your sunglasses, fashion or protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun.